Does regular rate of pay affect my overtime? Imagine working extra hours and wondering if you're getting paid correctly. Your paycheck depends on how your overtime is calculated, and that's where your regular rate of pay comes into play. The law says that overtime pay is not just 1.5 times your base hourly wage. Instead, it's 1.5 times your regular rate of pay. This regular rate isn't always the same as your hourly wage. It includes other types of pay you receive during the week, like bonuses or shift differentials. So, what exactly is the regular rate of pay? It's the average hourly amount you earn in a work week. To find it, you add up all your pay for the week, including hourly wages, non-discretionary bonuses, and shift differentials. Then, you divide that total by the number of hours you worked. Discretionary bonuses or gifts are not included in this calculation. How does this affect your overtime? If you work more than 40 hours in a week, you must be paid at least 1.5 times your regular rate for those extra hours. For example, if your regular rate is $18 per hour, your overtime rate is $27 per hour. If your pay includes a bonus or shift differential, your regular rate might go up, and so will your overtime rate. Let's look at an example. Suppose you work 10 hours at $10 per hour and 40 hours at $20 per hour in 1 week. Your total pay is $900. Divide that by 50 hours worked, and your regular rate is $18 per hour. For overtime hours, you get paid at 1.5 times that, which is $27 per hour. If you get a non-discretionary bonus, it must be added to your total pay before calculating the regular rate. So, if you earned a $100 bonus for working 45 hours, your total pay increases, raising your regular rate and your overtime pay. State laws can also influence how overtime is calculated. Some states have stricter rules about what counts toward the regular rate or how overtime is paid. Employers need to follow the rule that benefits the employee the most, whether federal or state law. Understanding how your regular rate of pay affects your overtime ensures you get paid correctly. Mistakes can lead to wage violations, so it's important to review your paychecks regularly. Employers should include all eligible pay in the regular rate calculation, and employees should check that their overtime pay matches these rules. Even salaried non-exempt workers have their regular rate calculated by dividing their weekly salary by hours worked. If they work overtime, they are entitled to extra pay based on this rate. Remember, your regular rate of pay is the foundation for calculating your overtime. It includes most of the compensation you earn during a work week, not just your base wage. Knowing this helps protect your earnings and ensures your employer complies with wage and hour laws. If you're unsure about how your overtime is calculated, reviewing your pay stub or talking to your employer or a labor law expert can help clear things up.